Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your body begin to relax. Allow your breath to flow naturally and settle into this moment. As you sit here, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. This is your anchor, your connection to the present moment. With each breath, allow yourself to become more at ease. Gently say to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, I am here, I am safe, I am worthy of love. Feel the truth in these words as you repeat them. Now turn your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly scan down to your toes. Notice any sensations, tension, or ease. As you move through your body, express silent gratitude for each part. For example, thank you, eyes, for allowing me to see the world. Thank you, hands, for all the ways you help me. Thank you, heart, for beating and keeping me alive. If any negative thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and let them pass, like clouds in the sky. Now, focus on affirming your self-worth and cultivating self-love. Repeat each phrase after me, silently or aloud. Feel the words resonate within you. I am enough just as I am. I love and accept myself fully. I trust in my ability to grow and thrive. If it feels natural, place your hands over your heart as you say the affirmations. Let the warmth of your hands remind you of your own care and tenderness. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror. See yourself as you are now, and imagine yourself smiling with love and appreciation. Whisper to your reflection, "I am proud of you. You are doing your best. I love you." Now, imagine a warm golden light radiating from your heart. This light represents self-love and compassion. Watch as it grows, surrounding your entire body, filling you with a sense of peace and wholeness. Bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep inhale, feeling gratitude for this time you've given yourself. Exhale, releasing any lingering doubts or judgments. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Take this sense of self-love with you into the rest of your day. You are worthy. You are enough. You are loved. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and joining me in this self-love meditation. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a new meditation. Your support means the world to me and helps us spread positivity and self-love. See you in the next one.